Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me, and on today's show we're featuring avocados. What are you going to be making today?
So we're going to do a really easy black bean salad. We have a little bit of red onion, avocado, some mango, and we're just going to do kind of a pan sauce lime vinaigrette over the top with a little bit of blanched shrimp.
Sounds delicious. Fantastic.
So this is the easiest.
Absolutely. Parents are surprised when their infants will readily accept avocado. And so obviously we recommend breastfeeding in the beginning, but once your baby's ready to take solid foods, avocado may not be the first thing you think about, but it is a fun food for babies to take. It's definitely healthy for them.
We're going to take all this avocado flesh and we're going to stick it inside of our food processor.
In it goes.
And then you're just going to add a little bit of water or breast milk, and then you're just going to blend it up. So what are we doing with our avocados?
I went ahead, cut them in half, and split them. So I'm just going to go ahead and scoop this right out.
Oh, great. Okay, I think it's done now.
We've added some black beans and our red onions. Here's a mango that I just used a vegetable peeler to peel.
Okay.
I've cut the bottom off, and now I can come in here and slice these off. We can go right back, and now we can dice this up.
And you'll just be adding that to the
Yep,
salad.
we're gonna add it right in.
Toss it together. How's it going over here?
Great. We're getting a whole tray of these
tray.
avocado sections.
I mean, about 4 avocados makes an entire tray and probably a couple weeks worth of feeding.
I'm gonna take a pinch of cilantro, sprinkle that in. I have lime supremes that I've added.
Okay.
And the juice from the limes. I'm gonna do a little bit of blended oil in there. I think we're ready to go.
All right, let
How
me grab
fast
it
was
for you.
that?
That was so fast and easy. Any mom or dad or caregiver can make this. And using the avocados we used for our puree.
Yeah.
Right. And I season these up with a little lime juice and some salt on there. And
So we're serving those cold. The
yep,
shrimp's
cold. Everything's cold.
This looks delicious.
So light and so fresh. So good.
So flavorful. Join us next time on Cooking for Baby and Me.